Hello everyone, this is Gitanshu Narula in front of you, and before starting my presentation I just like to say thanks to Pradeep sir and the whole NIFL team for giving me this valuable opportunity. Today I am not going to tell you about the topic which I am going to speak here. At the end of this presentation you will definitely know what the topic is. I just want to share a story of a woman who is born in the Maharashtra, Nagpur. She is the 7th child in her family. She belonged to a family where education had no more importance, but she wanted to study. That's why she told to her brother that I want to go to school. Her brother supported her and got, without telling anyone in the family, got admitted her in a school. But the situation was not good. When the time to go to school, her brother told to mother like we just go outside for play. Even she never studied the nursery, LKG, UKG class because at that time she was in the age of 10 years, so she got the direct admission in the class 5th. At this situation she completed their studies, but when she was in the 12th class she would become the topper of the school and her picture would come at the newspaper. When her mother saw this picture she got very angry and said there is no need to go to school, but still her brother supported her and got admitted her in the night college. And at this situation, when all the family members sleep, she went to her brother with she went to study with her brother for the college, and at this situation she completed her graduation. Then she got married to a middle class family and she had to face a lot of problems in their family life also. She managed job with their household work. She does a lot of hard work, but then there would be a sudden incident happened with her that changed her life fully. She lost her husband and everyone in the family members she forced to marry again, but she denied because at that time she had two children. The younger one would be the 10 years and the elder one would be the 13 years old. So she decided to give the best life to their child, and she played the role of both mother and father for their child. At that time situation was not good and she would handle everything. She does a lot of hard work. Time went by, but then there would be a sudden incident happened with her that her younger child suffered from a very dangerous disease, and every doctor would say nothing can happen now. Your younger child had only few days left to live. But at this situation she said doctor is not God. Just think, the only woman, she went to the Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, many cities to give the better treatment to her child. But she received the same response from everywhere that nothing can happen now. Then she decided to choose the path of the devotion. She would left everything on Mahadev and always say every doctor will give up but I will never give up. And you are very surprised to know this when I am going to tell you the woman with whom I am talking about is my mother. And every day when I went to a home I always asked to my mom how was your day, and I received a very positive response like it was really amazing. Even it doesn't matter she spent her whole day in the hospital, I received a lot of positive thought and that motivates me. And that's the today's topic, that would be the motivational speech. So motivation would be like that. माँ, कभी किसी माँ को किसी बच्चे के लिए लड़ते हुए देखा है? जब एक माँ एक बच्चे के लिए लड़ती है ना तो उसे किसी मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, ना उसे किसी वीडियो की ज़रूरत होती है मोटिवेट होने के लिए, ना उसे किसी सहारे की ज़रूरत होती है, वो अकेली ही काफ़ी होती है इस दुनिया से लड़ने के लिए. सो मोटिवेशन वुड बी लाइक दैट माँ, दैट वुड बी द इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन. whenever you get motivated you will definitely get motivated from the motivational video and when you hear the motivational speaker, but that would be the intrinsic motivation. That motivation would be only for 1 hour, max to max for a 1 week. So motivation is the thing that makes possible from the impossible. So you have to follow the 3 things. The one thing that would be the faith. Once all the villagers decided to pray for the rains, then all the day of the prayer all the villagers would gather, but there is only one boy who came with an umbrella. So faith would be like that. And the second thing, that would be the trust. When you toss the 1-year baby in a air, he laughs because he know my father will catch me. So trust would be like that. And the third thing, that would be the hope. Every night when you go to bed, you have no assurance to get up, to wake up the next morning, but still you set an alarm for tomorrow. So hope would be like that. So if you faced a lot of difficulties in the life, then don't worry, because the director God always gave the hardest role to his best actors. So at last I would like to say, मंजिल मिलेगी मगर भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो हैं जो घर से निकले ही नहीं। तो निकलिए और रिस्क लीजिए, गलतियां होंगी ना, होने दीजिए, फिर गिरेंगे फिर चलेंगे फिर उठेंगे, फिर गिरेंगे फिर चलेंगे फिर उठेंगे, मगर ज़रूर पहुंचेंगे अपनी मंजिल तक। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी, एंड इफ़ I would able to give you one lesson from this my video, then don't forget to vote for me. Thank you so much for listening me.